Hello guys, so you have two screens, but one of your screen is not working. Let me show you a few things you can do so that your next monitor can work well. So for me here, I have a 55-inch TV, which I want to use as a main, and I have this HP 27-inch, which I want to use as my secondary. So the first thing, if you have this kind of machine and it uses a graphics card, number one mistake that you should not do is not put all your cables on the graphics card. For example, I have one here on the graphics card and another one here on the motherboard, of which this will not work because all the display is coming out of this graphics card. So the first thing you'll do is take this out of the motherboard and bring it down to the graphics card. So my graphics card here has 4 ports, so I can put a maximum of 4 displays. And when we come back, we can see that here we have both of our displays. Number 2 is check if your cables are okay. So for me here, I have these 2 cables. This is a display port and this is HDMI. With the display port, I have this adapter which converts from display port to HDMI. So if you see that it's not working, you can try other cables like this one. This is another cable. I have an extra. So you can try and exchange the cables from your graphics card to the monitors. So try different cables and see. Number 3, sometimes when we connect 2 screens, there is something we call projection. So go to your computer and hit Windows P. When you hit Windows P, this will come out and we have these settings. So we have PC screens only. When you hit that, you will only have one display. Like for example, my main display, the 55 TCL, is only working. You can go again, hit Control P and change the settings. When you hit duplicate, you'll have both screens, but we have a problem. Both screens will have portrait. I have another video that's talking about making the screens, which is the main and which is the secondary. So go back and hit extend. When you hit extend, you'll have both of your screens in the right dimensions, in the right dimensions. Like for example, this is in landscape and this one is in portrait. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.